Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today nothing special going on here at my house today. It's the weekend, and I want some chili. That last video that you've seen where I done a what's in my refrigerator type meal and made that chili out of the leftover hamburgers, that was, let me tell you something, I'm literally really bad for filming things and then not editing them for, you know, sometimes it can be a while, but that was from the 4th of July. So that was leftover hamburgers from the 4th of July, I believe. Well, they weren't left over for that long. I'm saying the video was made, you know, right around 4th of July. It's not like, you know, I don't play that way. So it's been since that long since I've had any chili, and I've kind of been wanting it. Today I knew I wanted some club sandwiches. Didn't really think that I wanted any soup. I've just been wanting chili. You know how you get when you start wanting something. So I'm going to make some chili today. I'm going to make some club sandwiches out of turkey and ham. Went to the grocery store today. I cannot believe I spent like $168. And I didn't get anything. It's crazy. It's like, what is going on? We're going to have to start growing our own food, you know, raising our own cows and chickens and everything to be able to eat if you want to eat. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and get this on. Olivia has to work today, so I kind of want to get something going before she has to go in, so she'll have something good to eat. So I'll show you this big onion I got. It's a big onion. Half of this is going to go for our club sandwiches, and the other half is going to go in my chili. My chili is never the same. If you've watched any of my chilies recipes, you know that I never make it the same way twice, never. I also bought a can of cannelli beans. Sometimes I make it with beans, sometimes I don't. Today I wanted beans in it. Nothing else to do but assemble it. Put a little bit of mayonnaise on it. Some cheese. Some of these pieces are too thick. some ham, turkey, this is really in no particular order. It's just the way I'm grabbing things. Big old slice of tomato. Look at that. Look how pretty that tomato is. Fresh out of the garden. Not my garden, but somebody's garden, right? Some lettuce. I like a little extra lettuce on mine. Some onion. And some bacon. You know what? I should have put the bacon on before the onion. Top piece of bread. Look at that sandwich. Look how amazing that looks. I'm not gonna cut mine in half. I'm not gonna be like my husband and saw right through the plate. This is amazing. This is all you need. Except for a nice big bowl of chili. Look, I lost some bacon. Look at that. Did you hear him say his was better than mine? It's because he made his own. Might have been bigger, but not better. We can try the chili. Just what I've been wanting. Big old bowl of chili. Give me a sandwich. I love clubs. Let me give it a try. A little messy. So good though. Needs just a little bit more onion. I'm gonna go sit down and eat. I've been ready for this. What are you craving today? Leave me a comment below and let me know. You know I love you guys very much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.